everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the complexities surrounding the upcoming UK general election scheduled for July 4th, 2024. Let's break it down in simple terms. The UK is gearing up for a crucial general election on July 4th, 2024. This election is pivotal as it will determine the country's political directions for the next few years. Rishi Sunak, the current Prime Minister, announced this election amid significant political and economical challenges. The candidates in this election, the main contenders are Rishi Sunak and the Conservative Party, Sir Keir Starmer and the Labour Party. Other parties in the fray include the Liberal Democrats, the Green Party, Reform UK and regional parties like the Scottish National Party (SNP) and Plaid Cymru. Economic concern. The UK economy is a major focus, especially post-Brexit. Inflation has recently dropped from around 2.3%, a figure that Sunak hopes to leverage in his campaign. Party's economic policies, especially concerning taxes and public spending, are closely watched as they can significantly impact the pound's value. Healthcare. The National Health Services (NHS) is under immense pressure. Both main parties has proposed various reforms and funding increases, but the details and feasibility of these plans are under scrutiny. Social care. Social care remains a contentious issue, with aging population requiring better support systems. The election will influence how these services are funded and managed. Geopolitical stances. With global tensions involving Russia, China and other nations, the party's foreign policies will also play a crucial role. How the UK negativities this relationship post-Brexit is a significant point of discussion. Scottish independence. The SNP's push for another Scottish independence referendum adds another layer of complexity. Depending on the election results, this issue could see renewed momentum or be put on the back burner. Voting process. For the first time, voters will need to show photo ID at polling stations. This new requirement aims to enhance electoral integrity but has sparked debates over accessibility. What's at stake? This election isn't just about choosing the next Prime Minister, it's about deciding on the UK's approach to crucial issues like healthcare, the economy, social care, and its role on the global stage. Each vote will shape the future policies and direction of the country. Stay informed, make sure you're registered to vote, and understand the platforms of the parties and candidates. Your vote on 4th July will have a lasting impact on the UK's future. That's all for today's video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe for more updates on the UK general election.